This is the AI News Flash for May 25th, 5 a.m. UTC.
First up, Fujitsu Global officially announced today, May 25, 2026, the development of self-evolving multi-AI agent technology, marking a decisive moment of full-scale entry into the enterprise AI agent market.
According to the announcement, the self-evolving multi-AI agent technology features core mechanisms for continuous learning, adaptation, and autonomous evolution within enterprise business operations. The three differentiating pillars include collaborative operation among multiple AI agents, automatic optimization through learning company-specific business process data, and long-term autonomous execution capability with minimal human intervention. Built on Fujitsu's proprietary foundation model architecture and integrated with Fujitsu Research Institute's cutting-edge AI research, it positions the company for full-scale expansion across both domestic and global markets. Alongside Salesforce Agentforce, ServiceNow AI Control Tower, Microsoft Copilot Studio, SAP Autonomous Suite, Workday, Google Cloud Agent Space, and Anthropic Claude Managed Agents, this represents Japan's major tech entry into the intensifying global enterprise AI agent market competition. Following NEC, Hitachi, and NTT Data, Japanese companies are establishing differentiated strategies in the AI agent space, advancing Japan's sovereign AI infrastructure momentum under the hyperscaler four-company combined $725 billion capital expenditure boom of 2026. Amid trends showing Gartner reports, 95% of AI pilots fail to reach production. Deloitte finds 47% of enterprises make critical decisions based on hallucinations, resulting in $67.4 billion in annual economic losses. And Forrester reports 55% regret rehire rates. This self-evolving AI agent technology represents a strategic bet aimed at structurally resolving the biggest bottleneck of organizational culture and workflow integration. This positions Fujitsu as a key new player in the 2026 enterprise AI agent market and marks a decisive milestone in its transformation into the core of Japan's sovereign AI strategy. Second story help. NetSecurity reports in detail on the Trusted Tech Workplace Shadow AI Use Report, which revealed the shocking finding that C-suite executives have emerged as the heaviest shadow AI users, fundamentally challenging enterprise AI governance assumptions. According to report details, corporate executives including CEOs, CFOs, and COOs recorded the highest rates of unauthorized AI tool usage outside IT department approval. Three major shadow AI patterns concentrated among executives include inputting confidential data into AI chatbots, independently purchasing unapproved SaaS subscriptions, and directly applying generative AI code to production environments. This perfectly aligns with EY's survey of 3,120 technology leaders, showing 97% consider autonomous AI essential, 52% operate without formal approval, 45% have experienced confidential data leaks, 78% find risk management inadequate, and 85% prioritize speed to market. As 48% of security experts predict agentic AI will become the largest attack vector in 2026, data breaches caused by shadow AI add an average of $670,000 in costs. 20% of organizations have experienced shadow AI-related breaches, only 37% have detection governance policies in place, and Gartner forecasts AI governance spending to reach $492 million in 2026 and exceed $1 billion by 2030. This positions AI governance as a critical corporate priority, with executive-led shadow AI problems intensifying urgent enterprise AI governance establishment. Under the hyperscaler, four-company combined $725 billion capital expenditure boom of 2026 driving full-scale enterprise AI implementation, contrasting with accelerating global banking AI implementation, including JP Morgan's 200,000 LLM users, Citi's Gemini integration, HSBC's 20,000 layoffs, Morgan Stanley's 2,500 layoffs, and Standard Chartered, the C-suite shadow governance dysfunction is becoming a serious issue. Alongside enterprise AI governance tools such as Microsoft Entra Agent ID, ServiceNow AI Control Tower, and Okta Auth 0 for AI agents, this serves as a decisive signal of the full-scale enterprise AI governance tool market emergence, marking 2026 as the most important inflection point in enterprise AI governance. Third story. News Medical reports in detail that today, May 25, 2026, A new AI model successfully gained the capability to detect hidden antibiotic resistance genes beyond standard database ranges, marking a decisive breakthrough in medical AI implementation and the public health AI domain. According to research details, the new AI model is built on deep learning and machine learning architecture, performing large-scale analysis of metagenomic data and achieving high-precision automatic identification of novel variants of antimicrobial resistance genes not registered in existing standard databases. It is positioned as a fundamental transformation tool for addressing the global antimicrobial resistance crisis, according to World Health Organization figures predicting 10 million annual antimicrobial resistance deaths by 2050, with current annual victims at 1.2 million and medical costs in the trillions of dollars. Practical implementation of this AI model is expected to contribute significantly to early detection and preventive intervention efficiency. Amid the surge of over 115 FDA-approved AI medical devices, this represents a symbolic case of accelerating medical AI implementation alongside Tempus AI Genomics cancer diagnosis, Roche's PathAI acquisition for up to $1.05 billion, Anthropic's Coefficient Bio acquisition for $400 million, Merck and Mayo Clinic AI drug discovery partnership, Altera AI breast FDA approval, and the Hop AI Foundry NVIDIA healthcare partnership. Full-scale AI penetration is reaching infectious disease diagnosis and genomics analysis domains. Expanding from AI diagnostic assistance to public health prediction tool roles, healthcare institutions worldwide are entering full-scale AI integration phases in antimicrobial stewardship programs. The medical AI market projection of $25 billion by 2030 is accelerating toward realization. Under the hyperscaler, four-company combined $725 billion capital expenditure boom of 2026. This represents a breakthrough case overcoming the biggest medical AI implementation bottleneck of data integration and workflow integration, positioning this as the most critical tool for global antimicrobial resistance countermeasures and an important milestone marking the most significant new use case in 2026 medical AI implementation. Fourth story, Bloomberg's exclusive report announced that the AI rally is driving the global momentum stock market into its best run on record, reaching a historic moment that positions the AI investment theme as the most important structural growth driver in global equity markets. According to analysis details, the global momentum stock market continues its record-breaking run, driven by overwhelming outperformance of AI-related stocks. NVIDIA's $5.5 trillion market capitalization, Taiwan's TSMC, South Korea's SK Hynix and Samsung Electronics, Microsoft, Alphabet, Meta, Amazon, Broadcom, ASML, Lumentum, Coherent, Corning, Marvell, and Credo Technology represent the structural phase of AI semiconductor ecosystem benefit diffusion across all layers. The MSCI Emerging Markets Index showed Taiwan at 21.06% and China at 20.93% in a historic first reversal, with Taiwan AI semiconductor supply chain benefits maximized. KOSPI year-to-date surge of over 44% reaching all-time highs, and Nikkei average reaching 58,558.3 yen all-time high representing symbolic events. Under the hyperscaler, four-company combined $725 billion capital expenditure boom of 2026 driving full-scale AI semiconductor supercycle momentum, NVIDIA's quarterly revenue of $81.6 billion rose 85% year-over-year with net profit of $58.3 billion in a single quarter. The AI memory supercycle continues with HBM4 driving record results from SK Hynix, Samsung, and Micron. Hyperscaler capital expenditure justification and data validating full-scale revenue monetization phase transition in the AI agent market form a symbolic case confirming the sustainability of global AI investment themes. Contrasting with growing institutional investor AI bubble concerns, including Michael Burry's $1.1 billion AI bubble short put options, Norway Sovereign Wealth Fund's 35% loss risk warning, Bridgewater's dangerous phase warning, and Norway's $2.1 trillion world's largest pension fund AI-related asset major rebalancing warning, the global momentum stock market continues its record run as the AI rally bull sentiment achieves a decisive victory phase, aligning with halo trade and heavy assets low obsolescence capital rotation trends. This positions the most important touchstone for the global AI investment theme sustainability tug-of-war and marks the most critical inflection point for the 2026 AI investment theme. That's all for this AI News Flash.